Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tasha and this channel is all about lifestyle, travel, beauty, business, you name it. Anywho, as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to show y'all how I do my braid out with just 3 simple products. Let's get right into it. What you're going to need are some rubber bands for your ends. I just picked up a big old container of these from my local hair store. Any type of foam that gives you a good hold. I'm using this foam by Nairobi, the tried and true. And then you just need some moisture, you need some water. I have a mixture of water, aloe vera, rosemary water in here, and some oil that I'm going to use to moisturize my hair as we go along. That's it, that's all you need. I love a good braid out. I love when my hair has more volume and definition, and I'm hoping this is going to be my best braid out yet because I'm bringing you all along. So what I have found for me to get the most definition is smaller braids. Smaller braids give me the best look, the most definition, and it also allows me to braid mostly all the way down to my ends. As you can see here, my locks are varying lengths, and so when I braid them, I usually have some ends left that aren't actually braided. So that's what we need the rubber bands for, so that we can wrap them up so that we have a nice curl pattern from the top of our head down to the tips of our locks. I have 400 something locks. These are a mixture of small and medium size locks on my head. So let's get right into it.
This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease, no. And I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. Pray for the hope gon' restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find hope, find strength, find freedom. I pray, yeah. This can't be my forever. This can't be, no, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season, maybe that's enough to wait. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade till I have it. You, I know there's more to the pain I'm feeling now. I know there's more to the heartache all around. Somehow shining like the starlights. It's so hard to see it now, but I'll be alright. I'll be alright. Freely, though I could choose, it's not that easy. All the things I leave behind, living for another life. Guess I will love you till it kills me. Mind on the loose, can you hear me? always accused of what I used to be. Reaching for the things I know, something that'll make me whole. I'm gonna love you till it fills me. Fill me with your joy again. Give me peace that's heaven sent, surpassing what I understand. Fill me till I overflow.
Alrighty folks, here is the finished product. And after it's all said and done, oh, my scalp feels tight, boy. But as you can see, I made my braids pretty small because I want a lot of definition. And make sure to use plenty of mousse because once again, I want a lot of definition, a lot of hold. I'm going to oil my scalp with Miel's Rosemary Mint Light Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I'm also going to use this tomorrow to put on my hands to help with like frizz and stuff. But I want this to have time as I sleep to really penetrate into my scalp. So I'm going to do this part now. And then use some more when I braid these bad boys in the morning. Oh, my scalp just feels so good. I will show y'all what this looks like tomorrow. And I'll have a full face of makeup on too. So y'all will get the full experience, the full look. I have to use rubber bands on the ends here because my locks are pretty narrow at the beginning and then they swell at the ends. And I think that's because when my locks got installed, they weren't twisted all the way through. I had loose ends, and so I am still dealing with that. So for my girlies who are interested or doing research in terms of getting sister locks, microlocs, or really microlocs, because sister locks are pretty standard. If you plan on getting microlocs, make sure your loctician twists or braids your hair all the way down to the end. Curly ends, honestly, is just more of a hassle than it's worth. And of course, you might end up with some still, but to have your whole head loose at the bottom, save yourself the heartache. But let's attempt to go to sleep on this very tight head, and I will see y'all in the morning for the unbraiding. Good morning, y'all. As promised, it is now time to take these braids out. Really easy process. You're gonna need something like a rat tail comb to get the rubber bands at the end and help you unbraid the ends. Once you get to the bulk of the braid, it's easy. And then you need some oil. All right, so these two things are all you're gonna need for the unraveling process.
This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. New season, pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find hope, find strength, find freedom. Pray, yeah. This can't be my forever. This can't be no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season, maybe that's enough to wait. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade till I have it. You, I know there's more to the pain I'm feeling now. I know there's more to the heartache all around. Somehow shining like the starlight. It's so hard to see it now, but I'll be alright.
came out so good. Y'all, smaller is definitely better. This is the smallest I've ever done a braid out. And y'all, this looks so good. Like, you see the definition, there's no frizz. I can see this lasting me a week. Like, even like my go-to like styles that I usually do, like half up, half down, like everything looks better with the braid out. Oh yeah, this is everything. I do wish I had just a little bit more time with them in, because I noticed that in the back, they were a little damp. They're still defined, like, but this section right here isn't as defined as the front. And that's okay. The back of my head is longer than the front of my head. I realized that as well. But yeah, I can confidently say this is the best braid out I've ever done. And if you follow what I demonstrated in this video, you too can achieve this look. Oh, so nice. I'm so glad y'all tuned in, and I will see you next week for my next vlog.
Mind on the loose, running freely.